Hey, what's up guys, this is Vaibhav and welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you a very important hack for the iPhone user. So this is my iPhone and just I'm unlocking my iPhone and show you a very important hack. See, you have to open the iPhone drawer here that way, and this is the icon here. You have to click on this icon. You have to activate that speaker here. Okay, so this is activated now, background sound. And after that you have to just unplug. You have to just align your wireless Bluetooth speaker here. Okay, and when you plug into that, when you just left your phone alone here, okay, and if you went to some different room and if you want to view whatever the discussion is going on in that particular room, that you can able to view this by using this particular hack. You have to just enable that icon here. Yeah, here you have to just enable that particular background sound icon, and you just make sure that your Bluetooth device has been connected with this iPhone, and you just left this phone here in this different room, and you just went outside or some different room. Then whatever the discussion is going on within that particular room, that you can able to view that. So it's a kind of a very secret hack for the iPhone users. You can use it and get experience for the same. So that's it for as of now. So we can meet again with some new episode with the new videos. Stay tuned, stay connected. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.